If you're a student or a businessman, a website is a very powerful tool to everyone. But the problem is, we need money and coding knowledge to build a website. But what if I say you that you don't need any of them? With the help of AI, you can create an entire website for free. So watch the tutorial until the end, and after watching this tutorial, you will be able to create a website like this one. At the first, we have to create a Pantheon account. So I had given the link on the description box. If you click the link, you'll come here, and after that, click here, start free, and then go with connect with Google. And then select your account, and then click here, continue. And after that, give the details here. And after giving the details, click here, I agree. Then click here, continue. Now you can see that we had successfully created our Pantheon account. Now to create a new site, just click here, create new site. Then click here, WordPress. Now you have to give a name of your Pantheon site. So I'm giving here. Now you can see that this is our URL. And then after that, click here, continue. After this, click here, visit your Pantheon site dashboard. So now you can see that we are right now in the Pantheon dashboard. Now to get access on the WordPress site, click here, visit development site. Then choose your preferred language. I'm going with English. Then click here, continue. After that, fill up these informations. Now you can see that our information has been completed. Before going to the next step, make sure that you collected the username and the password at somewhere, because without these two things, you can't access to WordPress. And after that, click here, install WordPress. Now you can see that we had successfully installed our WordPress. Then click here, login. Then give the username here. Then give the password here. Then click here, remember me. Then click here, login. So now you can see that we are right now in the dashboard of WordPress, and from here you can do everything you want. Now to create a website with the AI tool, we have to add a plugin. So just come here, plugins, and click here, add new plugin. And go to in the search bar and search here, starter templates. Then click here, install now. Then click here, activate. After activating the plugin, come here, install plugins. And then choose the plugin. And then click here, get started. Now we want to create the website with AI. So I'm just going with AI website builder. Click here, try the new AI builder. Then click here, let's get started, it's free. Now we have to create a ZipWP account. So click here, sign up with Google. Then choose the Google account. Then click here, continue. After that, click here, continue. Now you have to give a website name. Let me give this website name. This is our website name. Then select the topic of the website. Then click here, continue. Now describe a little bit about your website. You can use AI with that. So click here, write using with AI. Now you can see that AI has given us a description on our website. You can edit this or you can go with this if everything is okay. And after that, click here, continue. Now you have to give your contact details here. So after that, click here, continue. So now you can see that our website is related with pharmacy. So AI had recommended us some images. You can go with that. Otherwise, you can search here. Let me select this one. After selecting some images, click here, continue. Now you can see that it's generating our website. If you drag down, you can see more websites. Here you can see that there are 18 websites it has given us. So choose the one that you like. I'm choosing this one. So now you can see that our website is completed. So now I can edit the text here. So to do that, you can see here at the left side, it has given us the fonts. Choose the font that you like. I'm going with this one. I can also choose the color palette. I'm choosing the default one. And if you drag a little bit down, you can see here how your website will look like in mobile. If you click on the mobile icon, you can see this on mobile how it look like. And if you see the tablet icon, you can see how it will look like on the tablet. It's pretty cool. And after that, click here, continue. Now you can see that you can add features here. You can add donations, sales funnel, also free live chat, also automations and video player. I'm adding a free live chat here. And after that, click here, start building. Now our website is building right now. So now you can see that our website is ready right now. So if I click here, see your website. So this is our final website. It's really cool. If you want to edit something, just click here, edit page. If you want to edit this text, select the text. And you can just go with ask with AI. And you can see this. You can fix the grammar. You can refresh this. Also you can make it shorter. You can make it longer. Or you can add something custom by yourself. Let me go with refresh. Now you can see that it has refreshed a new title. If you want to use this, click here, use this. So if you think everything is okay, just click here, update. And then click here, view page. And if you want to come to this website dashboard from any other device, simply come here and type here /admin. And click enter. And after that, give the username and the password here. Then simply click here login. So that's how you can just come to the website dashboard from anywhere. And to go to the website again, just click here to visit site. To don't forget this website, I'll recommend you to save the information of the website like this one. Save the username, password and the URL so that nothing gonna happen with this website. Also you can write this at somewhere. So that's how easy it is to create a website with AI. If you're a student or if you're a business owner or if you're a service provider, you want to just make a website for your client, you can do this in less than 10 minutes. And I hope you get helped by this video. So don't forget to give a like to this video. Peace.